Alright everybody, so we're going to be making some slabs of clay, rolling it out on here, and then putting it sandwiched between sheets of canvas. The canvas duct will help dry out the clay, because right now the slabs, when you roll it out, it's going to be too soft to actually, build. And this would not be... we want it to dry out so that it's called leather hard. Leather hard is when you kind of bend the clay and you see that it starts to crack. Here you can see we bend the clay and there's no cracks. But for slab building, we want it to be somewhat leather hard. So I'm going to put a piece of slab of clay right in here. This is one that I already rolled out. I put it right in here. And then I take my canvas, I cover it, and now I'm going to have another area to put some clay in. So when you get your clay, you're just going to go inside the bag of clay, and you're going to cut not a large thick piece, but just a piece about maybe 2 fingers thick. 2 fingers thick, and you grab the nylon string and you pull as even as you can, right? And here we have a nice piece right here, about 2 fingers. We're going to set it down right on here, right? On the rolling boards, we can adjust the thicknesses of the boards to adjust how thick we want the slab. This is a good thickness right here. It's about 1/2 inch. And what you want to do first is maybe you can slap it a little bit, pulling on it, just a little bit. And then a little bit this way, so you can see that the clay starts to spread out a little bit. You can also do that. You can also kind of hit it a little bit this way, like this. And now when we start to roll it, you just want to be careful not to have the rolling pin fall in between the cracks right in here. We want it to rest on top of these 2 surfaces, so that way, it just keeps it an even rolling thickness. You can just go one direction like this. You can see it's a little hard. Sometimes you can take it and turn it around, or turn it this way and keep rolling it. So just like we're making cookies. Now we're rolling here. Alright, so this is a nice slab right here. We've got a nice slab. We're going to put it on our duck canvas right in there. And we're going to cut some of it because it is too big. So we're just going to trim it and trim it. Take our leftovers. We're going to have it put in another bucket so that we can knead it and wedge it later. And then we simply get another piece of canvas, put it up on top like this to get it ready for the next piece. And you're going to do this a few times. You're going to need a few pieces of slab to dry out. And what we'll do is we'll probably, once we get a few pieces of the slab clay dry out, so here I'm just going to go ahead and just start rolling right off the bat, because I didn't cut it too thick.